From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Welcome back, everyone. I'm your student meteorologist, Paul Mykolajtchuk, with your Wednesday morning edition of the Campus Weather Service web forecast. Taking a look at Beaver Stadium, you can see that we are dealing with a thick cloud deck throughout central Pennsylvania today. We are dealing with temperatures right now into the upper 50s, right around 59 degrees. It feels like 59. That's because we don't have much of a wind, but visibility is okay. We are not dealing with patchy fog for this morning. Tomorrow morning might be a different story. We could be dealing with some patchy fog then. So taking a look at where we were at yesterday, a high of 71, a low of 52. So that was actually below average for this time of year. Average is right around 79 and 59, so about 5 to 10 degrees or so below average, so not too significant, but we will be flipping those come the end of this week and into the weekend. You can see that the record, we will not approach this record by any means whatsoever, set all the way back more than 50 years ago, and here's your record low of 43 in 1925. We are slowly losing daylight, and in about a month or so, we will be dealing with only 12 hours of daylight, so fall is approaching faster than it might seem for the next few days or so. So we are currently at 59 degrees in State College. Most of the state is dealing with mid to upper 50s, although we are dealing with 60 into Erie and right into southeast Pennsylvania, 65 into Philadelphia. So we are dealing with some 60s across the state for today. Current radar and satellite, not much to speak of. We are dealing with some clouds over central Pennsylvania, some rain off to the north, but you can see that into Pennsylvania, we aren't really dealing with much in the way of precipitation at all. And that should remain the case with the exception of a possible isolated drizzle or shower or so over the next couple of days or so. So taking a look at what we will be dealing with for the next few days or so, right now we have a dip in the jet stream known as a trough over the eastern part of the United States, but this ridge will expand across the eastern part of the United States, dragging the warm, humid air from the Gulf of Mexico right over our area, bringing above normal temperatures and humid conditions to central Pennsylvania. Looking at what we can expect over the next several days, some showers, maybe an isolated shower or so. We are going to be dealing with temperatures below average today and tomorrow, but come the weekend, we will be dealing with temperatures into the 80s or so. So the big story right now is Tropical Storm Erika right near the Lesser Antilles. Hurricane hunters actually did investigate this system earlier this morning, and they did find that Erika was slightly stronger than they had initially thought. Winds right around 50, pressure slightly lower than they thought, around 1,003 millibars, and west at 16 miles per hour. A little bit slower than what it was yesterday, but still moving at a decent clip throughout the Caribbean. We are dealing with a potential forecast track for Erika that could threaten the southeast United States. So keep it tuned to the Campus Weather Service, and we will give you updates as they come out for Tropical Storm Erika. The National Hurricane Center is forecasting Erika to be a Category 1 hurricane right off the southeast coast. So it is going to be a potential significant system by the time it reaches the Bahamas and off the coast of Florida. Taking a look at your hour-by-hour forecast for today, you can see that we are going to be starting off cool, but we will get to the 70s, albeit the low 70s, by the time this afternoon rolls around. So taking a look at your forecast for today, high of 71 degrees, your wind right from the northwest at 5 to 10 miles per hour. That will also be the case for tonight. Winds northwest at 5. We will be dealing with lows right around the mid-50s, partly cloudy skies. Those winds will start to shift tomorrow, light and variable for tomorrow, but throughout the rest of the week, we will be dealing with southerly winds, giving us that nice 82 on Saturday, 84 on Sunday, and mid-80s throughout the rest of next week with partly to mostly cloudy skies. From the Penn State Campus Weather Service, I am student meteorologist Paul Mykolajtchuk. Have a great day.